The industrial world is changing fast. Factories are now embracing cutting-edge technology, fundamentally altering how we work. Automation, AI and robotics are transforming the industry at an unprecedented pace. This shift presents both challenges and opportunities for businesses and workers. Join us as we explore how these technologies are reshaping the way we work and live. Automation, AI and robotics are already optimizing operations and enhancing productivity. Imagine robots working alongside humans, performing repetitive tasks with precision. AI algorithms analyze data to predict problems and optimize production. This shift can free workers from hazardous tasks, allowing them to focus on creative roles. By embracing these advancements, we can create a future where technology enhances human capabilities. Let's define the key players driving this industrial revolution. Automation uses technology to perform tasks without human intervention. AI develops intelligent systems for problem-solving and decision-making. Robotics designs and operates robots to perform complex tasks. Together, these technologies are reshaping the industrial landscape. Modern factories are now symphonies of automated systems. Robotic arms and automated vehicles revolutionize production processes. Automation increases productivity, reduces waste, and improves product quality. Factories can operate around the clock, meeting global demands. Expect even more sophisticated systems to emerge, redefining the industrial landscape. AI provides the brains in modern factories. AI systems monitor production in real time, predicting issues and optimizing schedules. Advanced AI algorithms develop self-learning machines that adapt and collaborate with humans. These intelligent systems revolutionize product design, manufacturing, and delivery. AI will continue to integrate into every aspect of the industrial process. Automation and AI unlock unprecedented efficiency. Increased productivity and reduced production costs benefit businesses and consumers. Machines perform tasks with greater accuracy, improving product quality. Automation and AI create safer work environments by taking over hazardous tasks. This leads to a more engaged and satisfied workforce. The factory of the future features humans and robots working together. Collaborative robots, or cobots, interact safely with human workers. Cobots handle heavy lifting and repetitive tasks, augmenting human capabilities. This integration transforms the factory floor into a dynamic environment. Cobots enhance human capabilities, creating a more efficient workplace. Cobots enhance human capabilities, not replace them. Cobots take over dangerous and repetitive tasks, freeing humans for creative work. Cobots assist with precision tasks, improving product quality and efficiency. This collaboration reduces workplace injuries and increases productivity. Cobots create a more fulfilling and productive work environment. Safety is paramount in cobot design. Cobots sense and respond to their surroundings to avoid collisions. They have safe features like rounded edges and emergency stop buttons. Cobots are lightweight and easy to move, ensuring a safe workspace. This flexibility allows humans and robots to collaborate effectively. Automation, AI and robotics are reshaping industrial work. Workers need to adapt to new technologies and develop new skills. The future industrial worker will be tech-savvy and adaptable. Knowledge-based work will replace manual labor. Collaboration with cobots requires strong communication and teamwork skills. Upskilling is essential in the evolving industrial sector. Technological literacy, including robotics and AI, is in high demand. Problem-solving abilities are crucial as automation takes over routine tasks. Interpersonal and communication skills are needed for human-robot collaboration. Continuous education and training are key to staying ahead in this landscape. Embracing lifelong learning, adapting to change. The rapid pace of technological advancement in the industrial sector necessitates a shift from traditional education models to a culture of lifelong learning. The skills acquired today may quickly become obsolete as technology continues to evolve. To remain competitive, workers need to embrace continuous learning, constantly updating their skills and knowledge to stay ahead of the curve. Lifelong learning is not limited to formal education or training programs. It can take many forms, from online courses and industry workshops to on-the-job training and mentorship programs. The key is to cultivate a mindset of continuous improvement, seeking out opportunities to expand knowledge and develop new skills throughout one's career. Employers also have a crucial role to play in fostering a culture of lifelong learning, providing employees with opportunities for professional development, whether through internal training programs, tuition reimbursement for external courses, or time off for professional conferences, is essential for ensuring a skilled and adaptable workforce. Moreover, embracing new technologies for learning and development is crucial. Online learning platforms, virtual reality simulations, and augmented reality tools offer innovative and engaging ways to acquire new skills and knowledge. By leveraging these technologies, employers can create more effective and accessible training programs that cater to the evolving needs of their workforce. The human touch. Skills that remain indispensable. While technological skills are undoubtedly essential in the age of automation and AI, certain uniquely human skills remain indispensable. These soft skills, often overlooked in discussions about the future of work, are crucial for success in any field, particularly in collaborative environments where humans and machines work together. Creativity and innovation are highly sought-after skills in the modern workplace. While machines excel at repetitive tasks and data analysis, they often struggle with creative problem-solving and out-of-the-box thinking. Human workers, with their capacity for imagination and ingenuity, are essential for driving innovation, developing new products, and finding creative solutions to complex challenges. Critical thinking and complex decision-making are also skills that remain firmly in the human domain. While AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data and suggest potential courses of action, they lack the nuanced judgment and ethical considerations that often guide human decision-making. Human workers are needed to evaluate options, weigh potential consequences, and make sound judgments that align with ethical principles and business objectives. Furthermore, emotional intelligence and interpersonal skills are essential for effective teamwork and collaboration, particularly in environments where humans and robots work side by side. The ability to understand and respond to the emotions of others, build rapport, and navigate interpersonal dynamics is crucial for fostering a positive and productive work environment. The rapid rise of automation, AI, and robotics in the industrial sector has sparked widespread debate about its impact on employment. Concerns about job displacement are understandable, as machines become increasingly capable of performing tasks once considered the exclusive domain of human workers. However, this technological revolution is not simply about replacing humans with machines. It's about reshaping the nature of work and creating new opportunities. While some jobs may be automated, history shows that technological advancements also create new industries and job roles. The invention of the automobile displaced blacksmiths, but created countless new jobs in automotive manufacturing and repair. Similarly, computers eliminated some clerical jobs, but gave rise to new fields in software development and data analysis. The key is adaptability and skills development. Workers who embrace lifelong learning and acquire new skills will thrive in the evolving job market. Automation is about augmenting human capabilities, allowing focus on creativity and critical thinking. The goal is to create a more efficient, productive, and fulfilling work environment where humans and machines collaborate effectively. As automation and AI reshape the industrial landscape, they create new job opportunities. These roles require technical expertise, problem-solving skills, and human ingenuity. One emerging role is the robotics engineer, responsible for designing and maintaining industrial robots. Another in-demand role is the AI specialist, developing AI algorithms to optimize processes. The rise of automation also creates opportunities in data analytics and cybersecurity. Productivity revolution, unleashing efficiency and growth. Automation, AI, and robotics are transforming the industrial sector, unleashing unprecedented productivity growth. These technologies streamline processes, reduce waste, and optimize resources, revolutionizing manufacturing. Factories can now operate around the clock, increasing output and reducing production time. This leads to higher efficiency, meeting global demands while remaining cost competitive. Automation minimizes human error, ensuring high-quality standards and reducing waste. Increased efficiency and productivity from automation and AI can boost economic growth. Shaping a more strategic workforce, the human advantage. While automation and AI excel at automating routine tasks and processing vast amounts of data, they lack the uniquely human qualities of creativity, critical thinking, and complex problem-solving abilities. This highlights a crucial shift in the industrial workforce, a move away from manual labor towards more strategic and creative roles where humans have a distinct advantage. In this evolving landscape, industrial workers will need to embrace a mindset of continuous learning and adaptability, constantly updating their skills to stay ahead of technological advancements. They will need to be proficient in working with intelligent machines, understanding their capabilities and limitations, and leveraging their strengths to enhance overall productivity and innovation. The ability to think critically, analyze complex situations, and develop innovative solutions will be highly valued in this new era of industrial work. Human workers will be called upon to solve problems that machines cannot, to identify opportunities for improvement, and to develop new products and processes that drive business growth. Furthermore, the rise of automation and AI will require strong interpersonal and communication skills. As workplaces become increasingly collaborative, with humans and machines working side by side, the ability to communicate effectively, build relationships, and work seamlessly as part of a team will be essential for success. Navigating the future of industrial work. The industrial sector is transforming with automation, AI, and robotics. These technologies reshape industrial work, creating challenges and opportunities. Thriving requires adaptability, continuous learning, and new skills. Future workers must be tech-savvy and collaborative with intelligent machines. They need to be problem solvers and innovators. Governments, educators, and businesses must prepare the workforce. Investing in education and training is essential. Automation and AI create a more efficient and fulfilling work environment. Embracing the transformative power of technology. The future of industrial work is not predetermined. It is being shaped by the choices we make today. By embracing the transformative power of technology, investing in human capital, and fostering a culture of innovation and collaboration, we can create a future where humans and machines work together to achieve extraordinary things. Imagine a world where factories are no longer defined by repetitive manual labor, but by highly skilled workers collaborating with intelligent machines to design, manufacture, and distribute products with unprecedented efficiency and precision. Imagine a world where dangerous and undesirable jobs are automated, freeing up human workers to focus on more creative, fulfilling, and intellectually stimulating tasks. This is the promise of the future of industrial work. A future where technology empowers humans, enhances our capabilities, and creates new possibilities that were once unimaginable. It is a future where the human spirit of ingenuity, creativity, and collaboration, combined with the power of technology, can drive us towards a more prosperous and sustainable future for all. As we stand at the cusp of this exciting new era, let us embrace the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. Let us work together to harness the transformative power of technology to create a future of industrial work that benefits everyone. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest in industrial innovation, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Together we can shape the future.